Hey everyone, it's Vivian the Somm Next Door. I am back, I'm alive, and I'm gonna be covering my top picks for wines this summer. Please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, and please let me know in the comments what else you guys want me to cover. All right, so what had happened was I went to Chicago, had a lot of fun, and yeah, I got COVID, unfortunately. I'm still kind of getting over it, which is why I am not gonna be drinking wine today. I know, very sad. I didn't lose my taste completely, but I'm still slightly congested, if you can kind of hear it. But I still want to show you my stellar lineup for summer wines. I'm really jazzed about what wines I've picked for the season, and even the wine shop helpers were like, wow, yeah, this is what we'd be drinking too this summer. I was like, yeah, I know. We got connection, and that I'm gonna be eventually digging in to this summer. So I got two sparkling wines. The first one being from Domaine La Petite Roche, and it is a sparkling Sommelier wine from the Loire Valley. This is 80% Chenin Blanc, 20% Chardonnay. It kind of had all the bells and whistles that kind of get me excited. I love Chenin Blanc, if you guys don't know, and sparkling wines, I love that. So just the two of them, it should be very, very tasty. Nice yellow stone fruit, peach, citrus, and a little brioche-ness. This is made traditional method, so the same method as champagne, and I believe it has been aged on lees for 12 months. So this is my first wine. Next, I have a Petnat, or a Pétillant Naturel. Basically, that's like a natural sparkling wine. Typically, these do not see any sulfites. You can kind of see on the bottom, it's not fined or filtered, so we got a little bit of funk in here. This hails from the same region where they make cava. This family also makes cava, a small producer. They are biodynamic, organic. This is 50% Grenache and 50% Xarello, which is one of the native grapes that they also put into cava. Everyone that I've talked to said, hey, this is really, really tasty, and it's been aged 6 months on lees. So this is my second sparkling wine. Very, very exciting. I did get one white wine, but nothing was really calling to me, but Sauvignon Blancs from the Loire Valley. I think a lot of people are going for the Sancerre or the Pouilly-Fumé, but I got a Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand, actually. Grey Wacky is a classic Marlborough Sauvignon Blanc, and I really think it punches above its weight, especially in terms of value. This is less than $20, like $19.99. And it's always solid, vibrant fruit, lemongrass, has like ripe melons. It's very, very delicious, and I think this will go really well with a lot of different foods that are summer friendly. If you have lots of like salads with lots of flavors going on, light pastas, any roasted or grilled chicken that are kind of herby, this will be perfect pairing accompaniment. So the next two wines that I got are from field recordings, and the winemaker Andrew Jones is just known for making very small batch wines from grapes that he receives from these small lots. This one, only 52 barrels were produced. This one is a 100% Sangiovese from Paso Robles. I was kind of looking for wines that are made via carbonic maceration, and is a technique that you see a lot with Beaujolais. And basically, it's how you can get a lot of the color from the grapes, red grapes and the skins, but without the tannins. You get a very juicy fruit forward wine. This one's really cool. Apparently you can put this in the fridge, or you should chill this, and you know it's ready to drink because the label will turn blue. Okay, I totally look disgusting. And yes, I apologize for that, but I just want to show you. So I put the Freddo into the fridge and look, it changed color. Oh my God. I know it's like kind of gimmicky, but so now this is chilled and ready to drink, which I'm still a little sick, so not happening, but yeah, it's changing color. What? Kind of like the Coors Light beer, but it's supposed to be really bold and refreshing, and I'm kind of excited about this. I also got a Cabernet Franc by Field Recordings as well. The description is a rustic punch of blueberry, black cherries, and red currants with a touch of mint and rosemary. Drink with friends after putting in a hard day's work. So I think this sounds lovely and delicious, so I'm excited about that. So Field Recordings, I've heard a lot of good things, and so I'm gonna try these too. Next, also in like the very juicy realm, Menthia is from Galicia, Spain, so northwest Spain. So the C becomes a TH, so Menthia. One of my really good friends, Juan, who has been on this channel, he introduced me to this wine, and I just think it's so tasty and perfect for summer. It's a little savory, lots of great red fruit in here. Oh, I think this would go so well with like pork tacos or roasted pork. This wine is delicious in the summer, refreshing, and yet packs a punch. A little bit more expensive, but they produce such great wines, low yielding. And then last but not least, another Central Coast wine, Bon Climat or ABC wines from Santa Barbara. This is a Pinot Noir. I actually had this while I dined at Girl and the Goat, which was delicious in Chicago. It's been on my bucket list for forever, and it's so hard to get a reservation. They only open the reservations, I believe, like 2 months out, and it's like a frenzy. Before you know it, tables are booked. It was either like 5 p.m. or 9:30 p.m. reservation. It went well with fish and also pork, so it's very versatile. It was like red raspberries, red cherries, strawberries. It's slightly chilled, it's delicious. And I think this wine, all of these wines I'm hoping are like very food friendly, lighter in style, and just has a lot of flavor and refreshing. So that's kind of my theme for my wines this summer. I really hope I get better soon so I can taste them. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys what I'm drinking this summer, what my inspo was. Looking for wines with carbonic maceration. I think a sparkling is always appropriate, and looking for wines that I think are gonna go really well with the foods that I'm gonna be eating, or just wines that I just want to sip on casually. Follow me on Instagram to know what I really think about them when I actually open them up. Thank you guys. And I don't have a glass of wine, but I do have a glass of water. You know, stay hydrated. It's hot out there. Cheers, you guys. And I'll catch you guys later. It doesn't have the same je ne sais quoi. Doesn't have the same so.